Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us today for this webinar. Now, today we're going to dive into an important challenge for today's organizations, how to unlock the true potential of data and how can we break down data silos. Now, by connecting and integrating your applications, systems, and even your devices, you open the door to insights and eventually AI. Now, today we're going to explore how this works in combination with Azure Integration Services and Microsoft Fabric. Now, to guide you through this webinar today, I would like you to introduce Michel Pauls. He's Codit's Integration Domain Lead for Data and Applications. Now, Michel brings tons of experience in designing and implementing integration platforms, so no better speaker for you than him today. Now, should you have any questions during this webinar, you can use the Q&A tool. Michel will have a look at these questions at the end, and he will answer these live. With that, Michel, the virtual floor is yours.
All right, thank you, Francis. I would like to begin that in today's digital age, data is at the heart of innovation. It's not just a byproduct of business activities, but a valuable asset that, when properly harnessed, can lead to innovation. It can lead to enhanced decision-making because data provides you the insights needed to make those informed decisions. It can analyze patterns and trends. You can use it to forecast different future outcomes and strategize accordingly. This is particularly important for staying ahead in these competitive markets. Data also allows you for a deeper understanding of your customer behaviors and preferences. With this knowledge, we can tailor experiences and offerings for individual needs, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, by leveraging data analytics, Codit can help clients segment their audience more effectively and deliver personalized marketing campaigns. Data-driven strategies can also streamline operations. Analyzing operational data can help companies identify inefficiencies, optimize their processes, and reduce these costs. The insights gained from data are invaluable for innovation. They reveal unmet needs and emerging trends, guiding the development of new products and services. At Codit, we support these organizations in turning data into actionable insights, fostering a culture of continuous innovation. What are we going to talk about today? First, we're going to talk about what are data silos and how to break them down. Have a short look at the Azure Integration Services, how we can use those together with Microsoft Fabric to automate and scale your data platform, and have a small case study, and afterwards, of course, the Q&A. Let's start with breaking down data silos. Data silos occur when data is stored in isolated systems or applications, and they are not shared or integrated with other systems. This can create significant challenges for modern enterprises, such as fragmented data, data inconsistencies, and reduced efficiency. The projected number of applications to be developed by 2025 is 750 million, surpassing the combined total of all apps created over the past 4 decades. These apps will span a spectrum from packaged software to software as a service solutions, and even custom-built applications tailored to unique customer requirements. Together, they will serve as a reflection of technology's rapid evolution and how technology is an inherent part of our daily lives. And with the opportunities that generative AI brings, applications will continue to be the primary touch point through which we experience the productivity and the life that technology brings to our lives. So we are in an era of unparalleled growth and innovation in the world of applications. Beyond these sheer numbers, it's about how technology is also reshaping our world. It's a testament to the rapid evolution of technology and its profound integration into our daily lives. So the proliferation of apps is impressive, but it brings forth a certain unique set of challenges. First and foremost, as we witness an explosion in the sheer quantity of applications, we must acknowledge that quantity doesn't automatically translate into quality. In fact, it often leads to the creation of silos and challenges with consistent aggregated experiences. More apps also brings more complexity, both in the end-user experience and in the development and delivery of those apps. With so many applications in play, it's easy to overlook potential solutions or even innovations that could bring benefit to organizations and users. Just bringing these apps together will help us drive immediate end user value. Without integration, the complexity of an organization's app landscape leads to inefficient workflows with redundant development work and operational inefficiencies. And last, but certainly not least, we can't ignore the looming security risks. The more applications we incorporate, the larger our attack surface becomes. And when these applications are siloed, it becomes exponentially more difficult to secure apps and manage these risks. So to confront these silos, we must break them down. Seamless integration across your proliferating app estate is key to unlocking the full potential of your digital ecosystem by enabling various systems to share data and communicate with each other seamlessly, leading to better and faster decision making. So it's not just a necessity, it's a strategic imperative. By connecting your applications effectively, you're not only preparing your organization to meet the challenges of the app revolution, but also positioning it for greater success by creating a unified data environment on which we can then unleash generative AI. But integration can also streamline processes by automating tasks and reducing manual data entry, resulting in cost savings and increased productivity. This platform is not just about making connections. It's about automating business processes and workflows so to create real actionable insights from your data and ultimately delivering differentiated experiences to your customers and partners. Because of this integrated data, integration can improve your decision making because it will provide you with real-time data and insights from all the various systems that are connected to your integration platform. Remember that it's not just about linking the apps, it's about maximizing your data's potential. Integrated data intelligence is just a strategic advantage that can give you more growth and more success in today's competitive markets. At Codit, we use the Azure Integration Services. So Azure and Azure Integration Services is a product of Microsoft. It's a leading cloud platform with a vast global infrastructure spanning over 50 regions all across the world. It has unmatched reliability and performance because of Microsoft's dedication over the past few years. On top of Azure, we have the Azure Integration Services. These allow us for seamless integration capabilities both on-premises and in the cloud environments to integrate all these diverse systems and applications effortlessly. If we take a deeper look at the benefits of the Azure Integration Services, we can identify 5 key points. The Azure Integration Services offers comprehensive capabilities for building new digital components using existing assets, legacy applications, and data. It provides you with a tailored integration solution, allowing organizations to select the services that align with their objectives, whether connecting on-premises systems, leveraging cloud-based applications, or adopting a hybrid approach. It can also expand your developer workbench across the entire organization. The Azure Integration Services brings low-code capabilities with over hundreds of out-of-the-box connectors to both Microsoft and third-party services. Using a user-friendly visual workflow designer, you can make integration accessible to a broader range of individuals, whether they are first-time integration developers or seasoned experts. It also ensures security, scalability, and cost efficiency. The Azure Integration Services offer a cost-efficient, scalable solution with either a monthly pay-as-you-go pricing model or if you desire a more fixed-price model. It also incorporates multi-layered security measures and compliance according to industry standards like GDPR and HIPAA. Because with the global reach with a local presence of the Microsoft Azure environment, the Azure Integration Services is hybrid, multi-cloud, and a globally managed offering spanning over 50 Azure regions. And because the Azure Integration Services are a part of the Azure environment, it provides you with a seamless integration with other Azure offerings, enabling the creation of comprehensive solutions to drive that innovation and efficiency. But what is included in the Azure Integration Services? Well, we can start with Logic Apps. It's the automation powerhouse that enables you to build workflows and integrate applications, data, and services with little to no code. You can think of Logic Apps as the glue that binds your services together, orchestrating tasks like a conductor would lead an orchestra. Next to that, we have Azure Functions, a serverless compute service that allows you to run event-triggered code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It's like having a very responsive assistant who springs into action automatically whenever needed, handling tasks efficiently without any other supervision. Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service that orchestrates and automates the movement and transformation of bulk data. It's a sophisticated assembly line for your data, collecting those raw materials from various sources, refining them, and then delivering polished data ready for analysis. Service Bus is a messaging infrastructure that allows applications to communicate in a reliable and secure manner, ensuring data integrity and workflow efficiency. It's a trusted courier service that guarantees delivery of your messages even during peak times or unexpected downtimes. But it's not just about sending messages, it's also about events. With Event Grid, you get a fully managed event routing service that provides uniform event consumption using a pub/sub model or a push model. It's a smart notification system that instantly alerts you to important events, enabling for real-time responses and integrations. And last but certainly not least is API management, a turnkey solution for publishing APIs to both external and internal customers securely and at scale. It's a storefront for your APIs, managing, securing, and showcasing them to the world. But of course, integration is just one part of the puzzle. We also have to talk about the data platform. So we have to talk about what is Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytics and data platform that can integrate various services like data engineering, data science, real-time analytics into a single user-friendly environment. But a data platform is nothing without the stored data, and that is where OneLake comes in. OneLake serves as the unified storage system within Fabric. It eliminates data silos and simplifies data management. It provides you with a single location for all your organizational data, making it easier to discover, share, and even enforce policies. All Fabric workloads are automatically wired into OneLake, just like all Microsoft 365 applications are wired into OneDrive. Data is organized in an intuitive data hub, automatically indexed for discovery, sharing, and compliance. OneLake will serve the developers, business analysts, and business users alike, helping eliminate chaotic data silos created by different developers provisioning and configuring their own isolated storage accounts. Instead, OneLake provides you with a single unified storage system for all developers where it's very easy to share data. And Fabric integrates AI capabilities and governance tools, ensuring that secure, centralized management of data with automatic application of permissions and data-sensitive labels. With Copilot in Microsoft Fabric, in every data experience, users can use conversational language to create data flows and data pipelines, generate code, and even entire functions. They can use it to build machine learning models or even visualize the results. Customers can even create their own conversational language experiences that combine Azure OpenAI service models and their own data and publish them as a specific plugin. Every analytics platform has multiple subsystems. Every subsystem needs a different array of capabilities, often requiring products from multiple vendors, and integrating these products can be a very complex, fragile, and expensive endeavor. With Fabric, customers can use a single product with a unified experience and architecture that provides all the capabilities required for a developer to extract insights from data and present it to the business users. By delivering this experience as a software as a service, everything is automatically integrated and optimized, and users can sign up within seconds and get real business value within minutes. Fabric will empower every team in the analytics process with the data role-specific experiences they need. So data engineers, data warehousing professionals, scientists, analysts, and even business users will feel right at home. Fabric comes with 7 core workloads. We have Data Factory, providing more than 150 connectors to clouds and on-premise data sources, to drag and drop experiences for transformation, and the ability to orchestrate your data pipelines. This is the same Data Factory that is also included in the Azure Integration Services. With Synapse Data Engineering, it will enable you for altering experiences for Spark, instant start with live pools, and the ability to collaborate. Synapse Data Science provides you with an end-to-end workflow for data scientists to build their sophisticated AI models, collaborate and train those models. And with Synapse Data Warehousing, it will provide you with a converged lakehouse and data warehouse experience with industry-leading SQL performance on open data formats. Synapse Real-Time Analytics will enable your developers to work with data streaming in from the Internet of Things devices, telemetry, logs, and more, and analyze these massive volumes of semi-structured data with high performance and low latency. Power BI and Fabric provides you with the industry-leading visualization and AI-driven analytics that will enable business analysts and business users to gain insights from the data within the Fabric platform. The Power BI experience is also deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, providing relevant insights where your business users are already working. And then Data Activator will provide real-time detection and monitoring of data and can even trigger notifications and actions when it finds specified patterns in that data, all in a complete no-code experience. Well, we have both solutions. We have the Azure Integration Services on the one hand, and we have Microsoft Fabric on the other hand. Let's take a look at how it all links together. Microsoft Fabric needs your data. It has all the tools, but it's nowhere without the data. OneLake shortcuts can fetch data without duplication. Shortcuts in OneLake allow you to unify your data across all the domains, clouds, and accounts by creating a single virtual data lake for your entire enterprise. All the Fabric experiences and analytical engines can directly connect to your existing data sources, such as Azure, Amazon Web Services, and OneLake through a unified namespace. OneLake will manage all permissions and credentials, so you don't need to separately configure every Fabric workload to connect to each data source. Additionally, you can use shortcuts to eliminate edge copies of data and reduce process latency associated with data copies and staging. But that's for Fabric. Fabric needs the data. Who has the data? Your integration platform has the data. Integration can create that unified data environment by connecting all your applications, processes, and systems. It will eliminate those data silos and provide to Microsoft Fabric that one unified source of truth for decision-making data. Integration can then unlock the potential for AI by providing you with that unified view from all those multiple sources and timely and accurate data. So both of them need each other for an integrated data project. If you take a look at how this works in real life, well, it's basically a matter of taking a look at what our integration platform is. In a basic integration platform, we have inbound flows which publish something to the service bus or courier, and then from the service bus, it gets sent to some outbound processes, after which it goes to the destination system. So we have all this in the integration platform. And OneLake needs the data. All the data is going through the integration platform. How can we link them together? Well, in our integration platform, we also create a landing area for the data. All the raw inbound messages are routed both to the service bus and to the landing area. We do the same for our canonical messages that we put on the service bus, and we do the same for the raw outbound messages. So every message whether it be an order or an invoice, it gets routed to both the destination systems and to our landing area. And then by using those one lake shortcuts, we can create a data lake that's using the data from our landing area storage account. So we are not duplicating the data again. Using a medallion architecture, we can then process the data from that raw bronze data to a more silver data in a canonical model, after which we can transform it again to the data that can actually be used for analytics and business users. If a message would come in, it gets routed to both the destination and to the data platform through the landing area. And that counts for every message, every type of message, or every request that's happening in the platform. So if you have a robust integration platform, you can also deliver value with an integrated data platform, because we can take a look at all the messages that have passed. We can reflect on the past through a certain rear view mirror using descriptive analytics to understand what happened, diagnostic analytics to discover why it happened. We can also focus ahead using predictive analytics to anticipate what's coming. We can perhaps predict certain peaks in sales. And we can also take full control of the steering wheel by using prescriptive analytics to steer towards certain designed outcomes, making those informed decisions. At one of our customers, we have implemented this. So what can we get from the integrated data platform? We get those valuable insights. By examining historical sales data, businesses can gain invaluable insights into their sales performance over time, like identifying peak sales periods, such as holiday seasons or special promotions, where sales volumes are consistently higher. Understanding these trends allowed the business to plan inventory and staffing needs more efficiently, ensuring that they were well prepared to meet the customer demands during these peak busy periods. Additionally, recognizing these seasonal trends helped the customer to tailor their marketing strategies to align with consumer behavior. For example, a retail business might notice increased sales of certain products during specific time of years, back to school supplies in late summer or holiday decorations in winter. By leveraging these insights, the customer can optimize their product offerings, marketing efforts, and promotional campaigns. Historical analysis of customer purchase behavior provides a deep understanding of your customer behaviors and preferences by tracking what their certain customers have bought in the past. And then the business can identify certain patterns and trends in purchasing behavior. This can include understanding which products or services were most popular in combination or frequently purchased together, and in which times of the year the customers were most active. By analyzing the customer retention rates, it was also crucial for the customer to understand how to maintain its customer base. They could examine their historical data and identify periods when customer retention was high or even low. This helped to develop strategies to improve the customer loyalty and reduce the churn. By also identifying high-value customers, those are the ones that make frequent or large purchases, it enabled the customer to prioritize their efforts on retaining these valuable customers. By understanding the characteristics and behaviors of these high-value customers, the client could create targeted marketing campaigns, even personalized offers and loyalty programs to keep these engaged and satisfied. This not only boosts sales, but also fosters a long-term customer relationship. So that was the end. We can certainly help you on this journey with an assessment to evaluate your current integration landscape and identify the opportunities to unlock your data's potential. We can do that through a deep dive meeting to explore or tailored solutions and strategies for your integration and data challenges. Now it's time for the Q&A. And as there are no questions, I would like to thank you for your time.